Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Famous Forex Academy, and I share nothing but great strategies and amazing stuffs online for you guys to use and make money on Forex. So today I'm back with an amazing strategy. It's a strategy you can use in milking the market. It's very reliable and profitable. Okay guys, you can check on my previous videos. You will see that people have been commenting and thanking me on how my strategy have really been helping them making a whole lot of money on Forex. So that means I don't share anything that is not working. Before I bring a strategy here, I've tested it over and over again and see that it's working perfectly fine before I can actually come and share it with you guys. So today I'm back with this strategy. Just sit tight, watch the video so you can actually learn a lot from this. Go back to your chat, use it and make money. Come back here and drop some sweet comments and let me know how this strategy worked out for you. So without wasting so much of your time, because we've played our trade already, and I did that because all the conditions were in place. So I had to do it, because if I had wasted much time I would have missed the entry. So I was just going to explain to you and show you how this works. But first, before we continue with this video, I would like to tell you guys to subscribe to the channel. If you've not subscribed before, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends, and turn on your notification to always get amazing stuffs whenever I post them online. So guys, let's hit back to the strategy. Let's show you how the strategy works. So first of all, with this strategy, I like to show the indicators we use for the strategy. So on the indicators on the main chart, we have the alligator, and on indicator window 1 we have the stochastic oscillator, we have the Ichimoku. Okay, so the first indicator we'll be adding you will be the alligator on our main chart. As you can see guys, we don't have much time, so I won't be able to start and be calling all this for you. So all you just need to do is just screenshot them, okay, or you write them down. So when you get to your own chart, you put them on your own chart and start trading. And after that, you click on done, and the next indicator will be the stochastic in the oscillator on indicator window 1. As you can see the parameters, just screenshot them or write them down and use it on your own chart, because I don't really have much time, I'm on a trade. So I'll go back and explain to you guys how it's working. After that, you click on done, and the last indicator here will be the Ichimoku, and these are the parameters. Screenshot them guys, and use it on your own chart. And after that, you click on done. So now you go back to your chart. As you can see, our trade is still running. This is a live account. As you can see, it's a $5 account. As you can see, we are on profit already. So I'll just hit back to the video and explain to you how this strategy works. Okay guys, so after you might have finished installing your indicator, the next thing you want to do is know the zoom level for this strategy. So then the next thing you do is you zoom out your chart completely, then you zoom in 1 and 2 3. Okay, so it's the third zoom level we are using on this strategy. The third zoom level. After zooming out your chart completely, you zoom in 3 times, and that's the zoom level for this chart. So now let me explain to you guys how this strategy works. Okay, after you might have finished doing all these things, the first thing you want to look out for is you want to see the price at level 10. That's on your indicator window 1. The price has to be on level 10. Okay, so that's the first condition, seeing the price at level 10, which is this green indicator you are seeing on your indicator window 1. So when you have your green indicator on your indicator window 1 at the level 10, the next thing you want to do is look on your main chart. And when you look at your main chart, what are you looking for? You are looking for the red and blue indicator to cross each other to the upside. Like I said, it must always cross to the upside. Okay, if it comes down like this, the way you're seeing them crossing each other to the downside like this, you don't take the trade. It must always cross to the upside, which actually tells you that the market, the price, it's actually pushing up at the time. So once that happens, you see your red indicator and the blue one crossing each other like this, what you do is you open your positions and you start buying. This is crash. Okay, so whenever you want to scalp crash, you have to buy, because you're scalping, you're trading against the spike, and when you're scalping boom, you sell. But this is crash and we are buying. and we are buying. What are we waiting for? We are waiting to get 10 to 15 candlesticks, then we close the trade. So guys, this strategy works perfectly fine. It's one of a kind. It's very reliable. As you can see, I'm using my real account. Okay, as you can see, we are on 0.40 dollars already. Why? Because we're using a very small lot size. That's the least lot size for crash 1000, the least lot size. Okay, and that's what we are using. So if you have a bigger account, you can use a bigger lot size, and by now you might be making a whole lot of money. So I'm using real account to show this strategy to you guys, because most people like saying that we don't like using real account, we use demo account and we fake the strategy. So guys, I'm using real account to show that all this is real. I like doing my strategy real. I don't just like explain what happened before like other people do. I like using my account and share the strategy and trade live for you to see how the strategy really works. As you can see, we are on profit. It's a live account and the strategy is working perfectly as we assume it to. So all you just need to do is, after you must have finished installing your strategies, your indicators. After you must have finished installing your indicators, you move your zoom level to the third zoom level and you wait for the green indicator you're seeing on your indicator window 1 to hit the level 10. When once you see the green indicator at level 10, you come to your main chart, you wait. Like I always say, Forex is about patience. You have to be patient with Forex, because if you're not patient, you're actually going to lose money. You have to be patient and wait for the conditions to be in place, and that is when you see the red and blue indicator crossing each other to the upside like this. The moment that happens, you open your positions, you pick 10 to 15 candlesticks and you close your trade. This strategy works perfectly fine, guys. It's one of a kind. It's very reliable. I don't share fake strategies. I share strategies that are working perfectly fine, though strategies are not always 100%, but my strategies are always 90% up. Okay, 90% up, which means if you use my strategy 20 times, you are actually going to win at least 15 times. Okay guys, and before you can actually win the strategies, like I always say, you always have to follow the trend. Okay, first of all, before you do all this, okay, since you want to actually buy, you always have to check your trend. And how do you check your trend? Is by going to a higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. And when you do that, you have to be sure that the trend is an uptrend. Since you are actually going to buy, you have to be on an uptrend so that it will favor your trade. Okay, you don't trade against downtrend. If you actually want to buy, you don't trade against downtrend, you trade uptrend. So if you open the positions, sorry, if you open the chart and you see that the market is not actually at your where you expected it to go, like you want to buy, I see that the market is on a downtrend, no guys, don't buy. Wait for the market to be in your favor by being an uptrend, and when that happens, you go back to your 1 minute time frame and you initiate your trade. And before you initiate your trade, you have to wait for these conditions to be in place, which is, first of all, on your indicator window 1, the green indicator has to be on level 10. And you look at your main chart, you see that the red and blue indicator is crossing each other to the upside like this. And when that happens, you open your positions, you take 10 to 15 candlesticks and you close the trade. And this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is 10 candlesticks we're having here, guys, and we're still expecting 5. But for to be on a more safer side, I always advise you pick 10 candlesticks. Don't stay longer than that because it's kind of risky. Pick 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. So guys, I told you we're going to close the trade now. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. We are on $0.68. Why? Because we are using a very small lot size, because this is a small account. It's a $5 account. If I'm trying to use a lot size bigger than this, they won't accept it. So I can only use this lot size, and you can see we are on 0.70 already. That means if we were using a bigger lot size, by now we will be making so much money. So this is how the strategy works, guys. Just follow what I did properly, open the positions, make your money, and you are good to go. So we are closing the trade now. Okay guys, closing the trade now. Let not stay longer than that. So you can see, guys, the strategy is working perfectly fine. So guys, what I advise you to do is just follow the instruction I did on this video properly. Follow the instruction properly and apply it on your own chart. I promise you guys, you're actually going to make a whole lot of money with this strategy. As you can see, I didn't use a demo account. I used a real account and showed you how the strategy works. As you can see, it came out properly, and it came out just the way we assume it to. So I have to explain this once again before I end this video. Okay, so what you would do is, after you might have finished inserting your indicators, okay, let's go back to the indicator. On the main chart we have the alligator, guys. On indicator window one we have the stochastic oscillator, we have the Ichimoku, and on the alligator you can see the parameters. We have the juice period 9, just shift 9, teeth period 5, teeth shift 5, lip period 1, lip shift 1. Just screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it, guys. I won't be able to call all these guys. Screenshot it, guys. Save it on your own chart, and after that you click on done. So the next indicator will be the stochastic indicator on indicator window 1. As you can see, these are the parameters, guys. Screenshot it, guys. Write it down. Save it on your own chart, and after that you click on done. So the last indicator will be the Ichimoku. Okay, guys, this is the parameters for the Ichimoku. Guys, just screenshot it and write it down, then you insert it on your own chart, then you click on done. And when you finish doing that, you go back to your chart and you zoom in your chart completely. Okay, so once you zoom in your chart completely, you now move out 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're using the third zoom level for the strategy. Third zoom level, guys, don't forget, third zoom level. And when that is done, you don't start trading. You have to go to a higher time frame first, okay, to see the trend, if the trend is actually against you or with you. So how do you know if the trend is against you? If you're actually going to buy, you have to make sure that the trend is uptrend. But once you find the trend being an uptrend market, all you just need to do is, it's in your favor, because once you see a trend on uptrend, that means the price is actually going up. So that means the market is buying. So at that point, it's advisable for you to buy. But if you open the chart and you see that the market is actually on a downtrend and you are planning to buy, it's not advisable, because this is boom and crash. Before you find the market on a downtrend, that means series of spikes are happening. So the spikes might cut up with you if you start buying at that time. So it's not advisable for you to start buying. So you only buy when the trend is with you, which means the trend has to be an uptrend. So when you see that the trend is an uptrend and it's safer for you to start buying, you go back to your 1 minute time frame. And when you go back to your one, as you can see, guys, the market is still buying. We are getting up to 15 candlesticks now, but to be on the safer side, that's why I say we should close at 10 candlesticks. So when that is being done, the first thing you want to watch out is to see your green indicator on your indicator window 1 at the level 10 here. Okay, and once you see the green indicator at level 10, you look over your main chart, okay, and you see that the red and blue indicator is crossing each other to the upside like this. I like saying this because it's very important. If you see them crossing each other to the downside like this, we are seeing here, don't initiate any trade. It always have to cross to the upside, and when that happens, you open your positions, you take 10 to 15 candlesticks, and you close the trade. That's how it works, guys. As you can see, we did that and it came out perfectly, just like we predicted. So the strategy is reliable. Don't be scared. Use it on your own chart. Make some money. Come back to the comment section and comment how this strategy turned out for you. So guys, like I said, if you've not subscribed to this channel before, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, share this video, like the video, drop some sweet comments, and don't forget to always drop your comment, guys, because it's very important. It inspires us when we see people commenting that the strategy is really working out for them. It motivates us. So guys, don't forget to turn on notification to always get videos whenever I post them online, because my videos are always powerful and reliable. Like I always say, you can check out my previous videos. You'll see a whole lot of comments on how people have been testifying how my strategy is really helping them make money on Forex. So guys, like I said, you can check on the description page. You see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly. If you need someone who can manage, maybe you've been losing so much money on Forex, you need someone who can manage your accounts for you and give you profitable trades every single day, hit me up. I'm that guy you can meet for that. And also, if you need someone to mentor you, you've been struggling, you don't really understand how the market works, because Forex is about price action. So once you understand price action, I guarantee you that you'll be good in making money on Forex. So hit us up. Let's teach you all you need to know on Forex. Let's mold you into becoming a professional trader. Hit me up and let's start business. And also, you want to join our VIP team, okay, where we drop profitable signals every day. Okay, you can also message me for that. Also on the description page, there's a link to my free Telegram group where we drop chart analysis on how the charts will be doing for the day. Okay, so guys, don't forget to hit me up. Thanks for watching this video, guys. But before you leave this channel, if you've not subscribed before, I'll advise you to subscribe to the channel and also share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you some other time. Bye.